Hello everyone, welcome to my session on coding decoding. Already we discussed number series, letter series, the combination of letter and number series also, and odd man out. And the next topic coding decoding. ఈ కోడింగ్ డికోడింగ్ నాకు టోటల్ 3 వీడియోస్ చేస్తాను. ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ఈ 3 వీడియోస్ కూడా ఒకదానికొకటి కంపారిజన్ ఉండదు. సో డిఫరెంట్ మెథడ్స్ ఎలాగైతే ఉంటాయి ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీకు ఎలాగైతే ఉంటాయో ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలోనే నేను మొత్తం కోడింగ్ డికోడింగ్ వీడియోస్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే నేను మీకు నెంబర్ సిరీస్ ఎలాగైతే మీకు డెవలప్ చేయాలని చెప్పి మీకు ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పాను. లేదంటే ఒకసారి నెంబర్ సిరీస్ 1కి వెళ్ళారంటే ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు మళ్ళీ చాలా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, ఒకసారి చూడండి. కోడింగ్ డికోడింగ్ కూడా సేమ్ అలాగే. అంతేకాని మన బుక్స్ చూసేసి తర్వాత అందులోంచి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దామంటే మాత్రం చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది. మీ ఓన్ లాజిక్ అని డెవలప్ చేయకపోతే అక్కడ ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్ని కూడా చాలా కష్టం అవుతుంది. సో మీ ఓన్ టాపిక్ ఎలా, మీ ఓన్ లాజిక్ ఎలా డెవలప్ చేయాలి, ఎలా క్రియేటివిటీ డెవలప్ చేసుకోవాలనేది నేను మీకు నెంబర్ సిరీస్ 1లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు అది కానీ ఒకసారి మిస్ అయితే ఒకసారి ఆ వీడియోకి వెళ్ళి ఒకసారి క్రాస్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కోడింగ్ డికోడింగ్. దిస్ ఎంటైర్ కోడింగ్ డికోడింగ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ alphabet and numbers. How many alphabet are there? 26. How many numbers are there? Infinite. Okay, so but max 60 to 70% of the questions is based on the place value of each and every letter. The remaining 30 to 40% of the questions is based on the different logic. That is the think out of the box. Suppose if you are thoroughly with each and every letter's place value, coding decoding concept is very simple. Otherwise it's very difficult part. Okay, I think all of you remember the each and every letter's place value, right? Now let us check here. Total 26 alphabet. You can write down the letters from A to Z like this. Why? Because all the 26 alphabet are rotate in the either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, just as like as the letter series. Okay, the previous letter of C is B, the previous letter of C is B, the previous letter of B is A, the previous letter of A is Z, the previous letter of Z is Y, the previous letter of Y is X, and so on. In the same way, the next letter of X is Y, the next letter of Y is Z, next letter of Z is A, the next letter of A is B, next letter of B is C, etc. So these 26 alphabet rotate in the either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. నేను మీకు ఏంటంటే లెటర్ సిరీస్ చెప్పాను, ఎవ్రీ లెటర్స్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ యూ మస్ట్ రిమెంబర్ అని చెప్పి. ఓకే, సో 1 to 26. If you are remember each and every letter's place value, it is very easy to identify the exact answer. ఓకే, మనకి ఏంటంటే వెరీ షార్ట్ స్పాన్ ఉంటుంది, ఆ షార్ట్ స్పాన్లోనే మనం ఆన్సర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఈ కోడింగ్ డికోడింగ్ ఏదైనా ఎక్కువ లాజిక్ అనేది మనకు లాజిక్ వస్తే వెళ్ళని గుడ్, లేదంటే మాత్రం టఫ్. సో ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ కానీ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ కానీ మీకు గుర్తుందంటే కొద్దిగా ఈజీగా ఫాస్ట్ చేయగలుగుతారు, లేదంటే మాత్రం కొద్దిగా కష్టం అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో entire coding decoding concept based on these 26 alphabet and each and every letter's place value. Okay, next +1 series, +2 series, -1 series, -2 series, or +1, +2, +3 increasing order, or -1, -2, -3 decreasing order. Okay, and next square combination, and first letter +1 square, +2 square, +3 square. Number series ఎలాగైతే ఉంటుందో కోడింగ్ డికోడింగ్ కూడా అలాగే ఉంటుంది. సో స్క్వేర్ కాంబినేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మీకు నెంబర్ సిరీస్ లాగా సేమ్ అదే చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్. సపోజ్ బస్ ఈజ్ రిటర్న్ యాజ్ SUB, దెన్ కార్ ఈజ్ రిటర్న్ యాజ్. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు RAC ఆర్ నాట్? ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ what is the relation among these letters? What is the relation between these two words? Here bus. Suppose if you take letter by letter, it's not correct. Suppose example, if bus is written as CVT, then car is written as. Here bus is written as SUB, then car is written as. What is the difference between these two cases? In this case, B becomes to C, that is B +1, U becomes to V, U +1, S becomes to T, S +1. So what is the answer here? C +1, D, A +1, B, R +1, that is equal to S. If bus is written as CVT, then what is the car? Car is written as DBS. But what about this case? If bus is written as SUB, then car is written as. If you observe, there is a relation, there is no relation between the B and S, and U and U is a same letter, and S and B. Here, this word interchange, reverse. So bus is in the reverse order, that is SUB. So what is the answer? Car is also in the reverse order. So CAR, that is RAC. Okay, suppose bus is written as C. CWW, then car is written as. So what is the relation between B and S? B and C plus 1. This is equal to plus 2 and this is equal to plus 3. That is increasing order. Here this is also plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Here C plus 1, that is D. A plus 2, that is C. What is the R plus 3? That is equal to U. So what is the answer? Answer is DCU. So you need to identify what is the relation between these two words. You need to identify what is the relation between these two words. Then you apply that relation, the same relation on your question, you will get the answer. So what is the relation? Maybe increasing order, or maybe decreasing order, or reverse order, or two letters combination, or etc. Multiple methodologies are there, multiple logics are there. You need to identify the exact logic in fraction of seconds. సో అది ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? జస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఏం చేయాలి? బుక్స్ చూసి చేస్తే మాత్రం అవ్వదు. మీ ఓన్ క్రియేటివిటీ మాత్రం డెవలప్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓన్ క్రియేటివ్ ఎలా డెవలప్ చేస్తారు? యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రిపేర్ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ 1 డే. ఈ రోజు ఒక 2 క్వశ్చన్ ప్రిపేర్ చేశారంటే రేపు ఎక్స్ట్రా 2 క్వశ్చన్స్, ఎల్లుండి ఎక్స్ట్రా 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్ 1 కండిషన్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ కండిషన్? మీరు ఏదైతే రేపు క్రియేట్ చేస్తారో 2 క్వశ్చన్స్, ఆ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ లాజిక్ ఈ రోజు లాజిక్స్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అయి ఉండకూడదు. ఓకే, సో ఎల్లుండికి ఏమైనా క్రియేట్ చేస్తే ప్రీవియస్ 4 లాజిక్స్ కూడా కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉండకూడదు. అలాగే 4th డే ప్రీవియస్ 6 లాజిక్స్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉండకూడదు. అరే 5th డే ప్రీవియస్ 8 లాజిక్స్ కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉండకూడదు. అంటే ఈ విధంగా మీరు చేస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ 25 days యూ హ్యావ్ 50 డిఫరెంట్ లాజిక్స్. ఓకే, సో అప్పుడు ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు ఓన్ క్రియేటివిటీ డెవలప్ చేసుకుంటారో మనకి ఇవన్నీ కూడా చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఆ ఓన్ క్రియేటివిటీ కానీ డెవలప్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద కోడింగ్ డీకోడింగ్ బేసిక్ ఫండమెంటల్స్. నౌ ఐ am going to explain question by question. All are different models. If any question, just to pause this video and next to solve that question, then observe my explanation. Okay, now go to the first question. Right. Now what is if the word ground is coded as BMJPIY, then what is the mind will? First, we need to identify the relation between ground and BMJPIV. First, మనకు ఆ రిలేషన్ కానీ ఐడెంటిఫై చేసామంటే మైండ్ విల్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఓకే, నౌ come to the part of place value. The first basic step, you need to identify the place value. Once మీకు ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ కానీ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలిగితే రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద G? దిస్ ఇస్ 7. వాట్ ఈస్ ద R? దట్ ఈస్ 18. వాట్ ఈస్ ద O? 15. వాట్ ఈస్ ద U? 21. వాట్ ఈస్ ద N? దిస్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 14. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద D? దిస్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5. Sorry, what is the D? This is equal to 4. Now what is the B? B, this is equal to 2. M, this is 13. What is the J? This is 10. P, this is 16. I, this is equal to 9. And Y, that is equal to 25. Now come to this case. This is 7 and this is 2. What happened? Minus 2. This is 18 this is 13. What happened? -2. This is 15 and this is 10, -5. Okay, this is 21, this is 16, -5. This is 14 and this is 9, -5. This is 4 and this is 25. నేను మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను, all the 26 alphabet in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. D అంటే that is equal to 4. 4 minus 5 equal to -1. -1 అంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? That is equal to here. This is equal to D. This is equal to 4. This is 3. This is 2. This is 1. And what about this one? This is equal to anti-clockwise direction, -5 or not? Okay. So what is the -5? This is equal to -1, here -2. See, suppose E minus F minus 5. F is equal to 6. 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. 4 minus 5. So that is equal to what happened? Here 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. 0 is nothing but that is equal to A is the first letter. What is the 0? 0, instead of 0, you need to remember -1. Okay. Or suppose this is equal to 0. What about this one? This is equal to -1 or not? If you write down 0, Z as a 0, then what happened? -1 is equal to Y. If Z as -1, then what happened? Y is equal to -2. If Z as -1, 4 minus 5, that you need to remember, that is equal to -2. Okay. Here suppose this is -1, C, -2, B, -3, that is equal to A, -4, that is equal to Z, and -5, that is equal to Y. Okay. So what is the relation? Each and every letter decreased by 5. Now come to the part of mind wheel. What is the M? This is equal to 13th letter. I is the 9th letter. N is the 14th letter. D is the 4th letter. W is 23rd letter, right? W is 23rd letter. E is the 5th letter. And what is the L? That is equal to 12th letter. Okay. Now what we required? -5. 12, last two letters -5, LL. So that is equal to 7, 7 or not. If you observe, QQ is not a correct. This is sorry. C, if D is not a correct and E is not a correct. Okay. In your examination also, suppose if you find the logic, just to eliminate or just to eliminate the options. First, eliminate the options. So only 2 options are left. No need to find the answer by letter. Okay. Now B and C. In these 2 words, which letter appears first? That here, this is equal to H and this is equal to R. Okay. So you need to identify first letter. That's enough. Okay. No need to find. First, you need to identify the logic and then apply that logic on the question. Okay. So 12. 12 minus 5, 7. So that is called G. Here ZZ, ZQQ. Just skip all the 3 options. Next, in these 2 options, no need to find M minus 5, I minus 5, N minus 5, etc. If you observe these 2 options, the second option, the first letter is H. Third option, first letter is R. If you identify the first letter, that is your answer, right? No need to find out all the remaining letters. M is the 13th letter. Okay. So what is the M minus 5? That is equal to 8 or not? What is the 8th letter in the series? That is equal to H. So what happened? H, D, I, Y or Z, 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 which is required answer. But if in your examination, none of the option is there, none of these, then you must be identify each and every letter. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే none of these option ఉంటే మాత్రం ఇక్కడ మొత్తం ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ లెటర్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. నన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ ఆప్షన్స్ లేదనుకోండి, జస్ట్ ఎలిమినేట్ ద వర్డ్స్. మనకి ఏంటంటే ఒక్కడే గుర్తుంచుకోండి, మనకు కావాల్సిందేంటి? ఆన్సర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం. మీరు ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నారో మనకు అవసరం లేదు, ఎందుకంటే అన్ని కూడా ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైపే కదా. మీరు ఎలా చేస్తున్నారని మనకు అనవసరం. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా మనం చేస్తున్నామా లేదా, కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నామా లేదా, మనకి వెరీ షార్ట్ స్పాన్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ షార్ట్ స్పాన్లోనే మనం ఆన్సర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is H, D, I, Y, or Z, 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 which is required answer. Right? Go to the next one. If laptop is coded as N, Y, R, Q, N, then mouse is coded as. Okay, what is the L? What is the L? That is equal to 12, 1, P, that is 16, T, 20, 15, and this is equal to 16. And what is the N? N is, this is the 14th, and what is the Y? This is R, 25th, R is 18, and Q is 17, and N is 14. 12 becomes to 14. అంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? That is equal to +2. Here, just a moment. Okay, N becomes to 14. So what happened? That is +2. And A becomes to Y. Already explained. A minus 1 Z, A minus 2, that is equal to Y. So what happened? The next letter, that is equal to -2. Once ఇక్కడ మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే మీకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందో వెంటనే ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మీద అప్లై చేసేయండి. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నోట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేసి అలా చేయొద్దు. నెక్స్ట్ P is the 16th letter and R is the 18th letter. అంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? +2. So U, this is equal to +2. And next T is the 20th letter, R is the 18th letter. అంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? This is equal to -2. Next O is the 15th letter and Q is the 17th letter. అంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? That is equal to +2. అంటే +2, -2, +2, -2, and +2. Okay, now just observe the last letter, that is equal to E. E is the 5th letter. +2, 5 + 2, 7. What is the 7th letter? That is G. Okay, this is not the option, the correct option. This is not a correct option. This is not a correct option. This is not a correct option. So what is the answer? Answer is B. That's it. మీరు క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడే మీరు ఆప్షన్స్ కూడా చెక్ చేసుకోండి, ఎక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ ఆప్షన్ ఉందో ఆ లెటర్ మీద ముందు ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. సో నో నీడ్ టు రైట్ డౌన్ M + 2 హియర్ 13, 13 + 2 15. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు O. O minus 2, O is equal to 15, 15 minus 2, that equal 13. So 13th letter, that is equal to M. And U, this is the 21st letter. 21 + 2, 23. So what is the 23? That is equal to W. And next S, yes, 19, 19 minus 2, that is equal to 17. So this is equal to Q. And next E 5, 5 + 2, 7, 7 is equal to G. So no need to solve like this. Suppose if you solve like this, then what happened? It takes more than 1 minute. Okay, but we require to solve the answer within a fraction of seconds, which is less than 20 seconds, not less than 30 seconds also. Okay, so అక్కడ మనం క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడే మన ఆప్షన్స్ మీద కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ మనకి లాజిక్ తెలిసిపోయింది. సో మనం ఏం చేయాలి? అప్లై చేయాలి. ఆ అప్లై చేసినప్పుడే ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ చెక్ చేయండి. లాస్ట్లో ఏంటంటే ఇది ఒక్కటే డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది. ఓకే, నౌ అప్లై ద లాస్ట్ లెటర్. సో G, నో నీడ్ టు రైట్ డౌన్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ లెటర్. అది ఎక్కడైతే డిఫరెన్స్ ఉందో అది అప్లై చేయండి, యూ విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, సి, బట్ ప్రాక్టీస్లో మాత్రం ఇలా చేయకండి. ప్రాక్టీస్ మాత్రం సాల్వ్ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే M-2 ఏంటి, O-2 ఏంటి, అది రాస్తున్నప్పుడే మీకు అది మైండ్లో గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. అది చేయలేదనుకోండి, ఇక ప్రాక్టీస్లోని ఈ టైప్ కానీ చేస్తారంటే మాత్రం ఎగ్జామ్లోని కొద్దిగా ప్రాబ్లం ఫేస్ చేస్తారు. ఈ మెథడ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఎగ్జామ్స్లో అప్లై చేయాలి. ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటుందో అక్కడ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ మూవ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. If pen is coded as OCK, now same, what is the place value of each and every letter? Just a moment. Right, P is a 16th letter, E is a 5th letter, and N is a 14th letter. And what is the O? O is 15th letter, and this is equal to 3rd letter. And what is the K? K is 11th letter. Now apply the logic. What is the logic behind this problem? 16 becomes to 15, 5 becomes to 3, 14 becomes to 11. What is the meaning? That is minus 1, 16 minus 1, 15, 5 minus 2, that is 3, 14 minus 3, that is equal to 11. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and minus 7. Okay, now here we know the next, if you observe last two letters, here none of this is also there. So you need to write down each and every letter. Okay, so C, this is the third letter, O is the 15th letter, M is the 13th letter, P is the 16th letter, A is the first letter. What is the S? This is a 19th letter, and this is equal to 19th letter. Okay, if the none of these option is not exist, just observe minus 6 and minus 7, 13 and 12. Okay, 13 and 12, that is called M and L. This is the correct answer. Okay, but this one or this one, whatever it is, but here none of this is also there. So you need to identify the entire answer. Okay, so C minus 1, that is equal to B. Okay, okay, none of this is there. So you need to write B. And that 15 minus 2, 13, what is the 13th letter? That is equal to M. 13 minus 3, that is equal to 10. What is the 10th letter? That is equal to J. Next, 16 minus 4, that is equal to 12. What is the 12th letter? That is equal to L. 1 minus 5. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. So, what is the minus 5? That is equal to V. And next, 19 minus 6. What is the 19 minus 6? That is equal to 13. That is equal to M. And what is the 19 minus 7? That is equal to 12. That is equal to L. So B, M, J, L, V, M, L, option D is the correct answer. If the none of these is not exist, just apply last two letters, then any one of these two are satisfied. Okay, any one of these two. Now you observe which letter is different in these two options. Here what happened? Here N and here M. So what happened? If you find the second letter, you will get the answer. No need to find entire answer, right? What is the second letter? O. O is the 15th letter. 15 minus 2, that is equal to 13. What is the 13th letter? That is M. So this is the answer. No need to identify the remaining letters. Okay, when if none of these is not exist. Okay, most probably in the bank clerical exams, none of these options not exist most probably. But in some cases it may be exist. Okay, none of these unte matram be careful. Each and every letter ni మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి. నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ లేకపోయినా హ్యాపీ, మనకి ఏంటంటే వెంటనే ఆప్షన్స్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఓకే, మూవ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. If quit is coded as RVFGU, so same. What is the Q? This is the 17th letter. What is the U? 21, 5, 9, 20. What is the R? 18, 22, 6, 10, 21. Okay, now apply the logic. What is the logic here? 17 becomes to 18. That is equal to plus 1. 21 becomes to 22. That is plus 1. 5 becomes to 6. That is equal to plus 1. Next, 9 becomes to 10. That is equal to plus 1. And next, 20 becomes to 21. So all are plus 1. Okay. Now, what is the last letter? That is equal to Y. Y plus 1, Z. So just eliminate these two options. That's okay. If you observe the first letter L, O, M, 3 different letters are there. If you find the first option, first letter, you will get the answer. Here N, N plus 1, O, right? So in these options, which one is the correct? That is the answer. This is the N minus 1 and N minus 2. This is the N minus 1. So what is the answer? OPZ, TZ, which is required answer. Here observe chesarante మనం ఏవి ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి ఓన్లీ 2 letters ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసాం. హౌ మెనీ లెటర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ హియర్? 5 letters. ఈ 5 letters లో 2 letters ఐడెంటిఫై చేసి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. ఓకే, సో ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో కూడా సేమ్ ఇదే ప్రొసీజర్ అప్రోచ్ అవ్వండి. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇఫ్ రిమోట్ ఈజ్ LL BEF and sing is called as NTDP, then how will music? Here 2 words are there. Okay, let us check. R is 18th letter, E is 5th letter, M is 13th letter, 15th letter, 20 and 5. What is the L? This is the 12th letter, L is the 12th letter, this is equal to second letter, this is the 6th letter, and what is the P? That is the 16th letter, and L, that is the 12th letter. And what is the S? This is the 19th letter, 9th letter, 14th letter, and 7th letter. What is the N? 14, 20, 4, 16. Now, what we require music? Now, what is the relation? Here 18, 12. Here 5, 12. 13, 2. 15, 6. 20, 16. 5, 12. Is there any relation? Nineteen, 14, 9, 20, 14, 4, 7, 16. So what is the answer? This is our first procedure. Okay, suppose +1 or series or +2 series or etc. But what happened here? Suppose 2 words are given. Suppose 2 words, 2 relationships are given. Don't go for this procedure. Okay, just leave it. R is coded as L and E is coded as L. And what happened? If you observe, R is equal to L. So here R is there and R is equal to L. That is also satisfied. So here, in this case, that is also not satisfy the condition. Now, what happened? Is a very, very important question. ఇంక ఇక్కడి నుంచి ఏంటంటే క్వశ్చన్ బై క్వశ్చన్ డిఫికల్ట్ లెవెల్ పెరుగుతుంటది. ఓకేనా? జస్ట్ థింక్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది బాక్స్ హౌ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ వన్. Right. So think out of the box. What is the R? 18. This is equal to 5. This is the 13. And this is the 15. This is the 20. And this is 5. This is the 12. And what about this one? This is also equal to 12. And this is 2. This is 6. This is 16. And this is equal to 12. What is the relation? Now think out of the box. Here 18. 18 into 2, that is equal to 36. 36 plus 2, that is equal to 38. How many alphabet are there? 26. Just subtract 26 from 38, then what happened? That is equal to 12. What is the 12th letter? That is equal to L. Is it clear? Here 18 into 2, 36 plus 2, 38. 38 minus 26, that is equal to 12. 12th letter, that is equal to L. What is the next one? 5 into 2 plus 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12. Here minus 26, that is equal to 12. And this is equal to 12. What is the next one? 13 into 2 plus 2. So this is equal to 26 plus 2, that is equal to 28. Right? Then what happened? You need to subtract 26 alphabet, that is equal to 2. What is the second letter? That is equal to B. And next, O. Here 15 into 2 plus 2. So 30 plus 2, 32 minus 26. So that is equal to 6. What is the sixth letter? That is equal to F. Next, what is the T? Here T, that is equal to 20 into 2 plus 2. So that is equal to 42 minus 26. So that is equal to 16. What is the 16? That is equal to P. And let's next 5 and last L. 5 into 2 plus 2. So that means into 2 plus 2. Suppose that sum is more than 26. Just subtract 26 from that sum. Suppose that sum is less than 26. Just directly take that answer. Now, here N is a 14th letter, T is a 20th letter, D is a 4th letter, and P is a 16th letter. Here, none of this option is also there. So you need to find the answer. Here, music, sorry. This is the 13th letter. This is the 21st letter, 19th letter, 9th letter, and 3rd letter. So, what is the first? 13. 13 into 2, 26. 26 plus 2, 28. 28 minus 2, that is equal to 28 minus 26, that is equal to how much? That is equal to 2 or not. What is the second letter? That is equal to B. If none of this is not there, answer is B. Otherwise, you need to identify the answer. Next, 21. 21 into 2, 42. 42 plus 2, 44. 44 minus 26. Here, 44 minus 26. Then what happened? This is equal to 16. What is the 16th letter? So that is equal to 16th letter. That is equal to P. If you observe, first one is B, next one is P. So what is the answer? None of this is answer. Here, suppose here R is exist, then is not taken. Oh, sorry. This is 18, not 16. Okay. Not none of this. Sorry. So what is the next letter? That is equal to R. B, R. And what is the next one? S, 19. 19 into 2, 38. 38 plus 2, 40. 40 minus 26, there go 14. What is the 14th letter? That is equal to N. And next, I, 9th letter. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. What is the 20th letter? That is equal to T. And next 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. What is the 8th letter? That is equal to H. So what is the answer? Answer is B, R, N, T, H, which is required answer. Is it clear? So it is a very difficult question. Find the, you need to identify the numbers. You need to identify the relation between the letter by letter. Okay. If you have good command over number series, it's very simple. ఎందుకంటే into 2 plus 2 minus 26. Suppose that sum is more than 26, you need to subtract 26 from that number. If that sum is less than 26, just straight away write down that letter. Why subtract 26? Here we have only 26 alphabet. Is it clear? Now go to the next case. If quilt is coded as HCICB, then spread is coded as. Now, first one, place values. This is 17, and this is 21, and this is 9, this is the 12, and this is 20. H is 9, C is 3, H is 8, C is 3, I is 9, this is 3, and this is equal to 2. What is the answer? This is another model. Now, what is the spread? What is the S? This is the 19. What is the P? 16. R, 18. E, 5. D, A, 1. D, 4. If you observe, all the digits are single digits. Even 2 digits, then here, this is the single digit. Okay, 17 to 18. 17 to 8. Let us take minus 9. 21 minus 9 is not equal to 3. So 21 minus 18, that is equal to 3. That is valid. 9 and 9, that is same. And 12 and 3. 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3. And here 20 minus 18. So here 9, minus 9 is there, minus 18 is there, and 9 is there. So there is no exact relation. Now, if you observe, what is the place value of Q that is 17. What is the digit sum of 17? That is equal to 8. What is the digit sum? Sum of the digits. So 1 plus 7, that is equal to 8. 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 9 is a single digit. You take it as 9 as it is. 12. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. 20. 2 plus 0, that is equal to 2. Now here, spread. What is the last letter here? What is the digit sum? 1 plus 9 is equal to 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Digit sum is nothing but convert any number into a single digit. Yet 10 is there. Again, you need to add 1 and 0, that is equal to 9. Okay, sorry, that is equal to 1. What is the digit sum of this one? 1, this is 9, this is 9, this is 5, this is equal to 1, and this is equal to 4. But no need to find the answer. No need to entire answer. What is the last? D. D stands for 4. No need to convert. Of this, which option last letter as D? That is the answer. No need to find 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Again, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 1 plus 6 equal to 7. 1 plus 8 equal to 9, etc. ఇది ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు? If in your options none of these is there, then only you go through this entire procedure. Otherwise, just observe in your options only one option, all are different letters. Okay, so now you check which option satisfy the last letter as D. So that is equal only last. No need to check the remaining letters. So what is the answer? Answer is option E. Now go to the next case. Capricorn. R, Q, B, C, O, Q, E, Z, and postings. Okay. It's a little bit difficult question. Why difficult one here? This is 3, this is 1, this is 16, this is the 18, this is the 9, this is the 3, this is the 15, and this is the 14. And what is the R? This is the 18, 17, 2, 3, 15, 17, 5, 10. Okay, 3 becomes to 18, 1 becomes to 17, 16 becomes to 2, 18 becomes to 3, 9 becomes to 15, 3 becomes to 17, 15 becomes to 5, and 14 becomes to 10. Any logic? So either increasing or decreasing, not satisfied. Digit sum is not satisfied. Now, I already explained, if you observe, reverse order is possible or not. And another condition, if the split the word is satisfied or not. Okay, ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజింగ్ అవ్వలేదు, డిజిట్ సమ్ అవ్వలేదు, ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? అయితే రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్ లేకపోతే స్ప్లిట్ చేయడం. నౌ హియర్ suppose total how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just split this word like this. Now observe here also. Now observe, is there any relation? CAPR, RQBC. Here R, Q, B, C, O, Q, E, J. Now, what is the answer? R and R same, C and C same. P, Q, A, B. What happened? Did you get the logic? R plus 0, C plus 0. P plus 1, A plus 1. And what about this one? I becomes to J plus 1. N becomes to O plus 1. That means break that word and take a reverse order and apply the logic. Next, I plus 1, J, N plus 1, C plus 2, and O plus 2. What happened here? Suppose if you take the reverse order, then what happened? This is RPAC and this is equal to NOCI. Okay. Then what happened here? R and R same. P plus 1 Q, A plus 1 B, C same. Here N plus 1 O, O plus 2 Q, C plus 2 E, and what about I? I plus 1. అంటే first law reverse order. What is the reverse order? C, B, Q, R, and here J, O, sorry, J, E, J, E, Q, O. ఇక్కడ plus 0. What is the answer? Here for C and R, that is equal to 0, 0, right? So what happened? C plus 0, that is equal to C, and R plus 0, that is equal to R. Okay. And B plus 1, that is equal to C, Q plus 1, that is equal to R. And here J plus 1. What is the J plus 1? This is the 10th. What is the 11th letter? That is equal to K. Here O plus 1, 17, O plus 1, P. Here E plus 2. What is the E plus 2? That is equal to 7. That is G. Q plus 2. So that is equal to 19. Yes. So what is the answer? Answer is CCRRKGSP. But what is the question? Here postings. Here posting. Now if you observe, what is the first letter? Here TPPTS. What is the last letter? JSIPP. Okay. Here 3 different letters are there. Here 3 different letters are there. Here T. First letter must be T or not. So strike off these. Why? First divide that word into 2 words and take a reverse order. Here T plus 0 and P plus 0. Okay. And next only 2 letters. Here what is the last letter? J. Here what is the last letter? P. And what is the last letter? I plus 1. What is the I plus 1? That is equal to J. So what is the answer? Option A is the correct answer. That's it. Is it clear? Here if you observe, this one is coded as, this is equal to here 0. Okay. And what happened? No need to write down or etc. Why? Because same question here. And what is the question? Postings. So first to identify what is the first letter, only T and T. Remaining 3 are skipped. Just eliminate. And of these 2, last letter is J and P. Find out the last letter. That's enough. So what is the answer? Option A is the correct answer. Next, management is coded as Z and Z, M, V, T, N, etc. Then what is the institute? First, write down, this is the management. Sorry, here. M, A, N, A, G, E, M, E, N, T. And what is this one? Z, N, Z, M, V, T, V, N, G, M. Now, suppose this is the 13th letter and this is the 26th letter. This is the first letter, this is the 14th letter. And this is the 13th letter and here 14th letter and this is the 12th letter. And first letter, 13th letter. Okay. And what happened? See. Suppose if you go through the numbers, it's a little bit difficult. Now split the word. Suppose let us take split like this. What is the relation? A, the previous letter of A is Z, the next letter of M is N. The previous letter of A is Z, the previous letter of A is Z, the next letter of M is N. The previous letter of A is Z, the previous letter of N is M. Okay. And what about this case? Here G, T, E, V. Is it valid? It's not a valid. Previous letter is not at all correct. Now, what is the logic behind this question? Observe carefully. MN. If you observe, this is the MN and this is the AZ, right? And NM and next AZ. Okay. Here AZ and this is the NM. Next, here GT. And what is the next one? This is the EV. Okay. So EV and this is the GT. Next, MN, VE. Okay. This is the MN and this is the VE. And this is the NM and this is the GT. What is the logic? Suppose if you write down all the letters like this, A to M and N to Z, AZ, EV, GT, MN. That is the one case. Or the other case, the sum of these two letters is equal to 27. The sum of these two letters equal to 27. The sum of these two letters 27. The sum of these two letters that is equal to 27. Like that. Okay. So what happened? Institute. Just a break like this. Now first, let us take first letter. What is the first letter? N. M. What is the first letter? That is equal to M or not. So just to strike off all the options, E is the correct answer. That's it. No need to cross check each and every letter. See, if you get the logic, answer is very simple. If you didn't get the logic, it's very difficult. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏంటంటే టూ లెటర్స్ బ్రేక్ చేయడం మనకు తెలియాలి. తర్వాత ఏంటంటే ఏజెడ్, ఈవి, జీటీ, ఎంఎన్ ఇలా వచ్చిన సంగతి తెలియాలి. అది ఎప్పుడు తెలుస్తుందంటే మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం వల్ల తెలుస్తుంది. అంటే మీ లాజికల్ ఎబిలిటీ ఎంత పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉంటే అప్పుడే తెలుస్తుంది అంతా కూడా. ఓకే, నౌ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. రైట్, సి ఇస్ అ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. If all the odd place letters of the letter series capital and even place letters of the series are small, then which day will be the day after 5 days from the Thursday? That is the question. Okay. First, which day will be the day after 5 days from the Thursday? Day after, this is చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. Day after 5 days from the Thursday. Okay. Day after 5 days from the Thursday. Day after 5 days from the Thursday. అంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? Thursday తర్వాత 5 days, ఆ తర్వాత day after. Okay. So what is the answer? Yes, suppose this is the Thursday. 5 days after, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Day after 5 days. Okay, after 5 days, after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and 5 days. Okay, after 5 days and after 1 day, after 2 days, after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, day after. So that is equal to Wednesday and next Thursday. How to get the easier? Wednesday or Thursday, that is very important. Okay. So day after 5 days, 5 days after. So that is equal to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. These are all the 5 days. 5 days after, that is equal to Wednesday. Day after. So after Wednesday, what we require, that is equal to Thursday. Here, what we require? We require the Thursday. THURSDAY. Okay, that is the one. Next, go to the logic. What is the logic? Actually, in your examination, no need to find the logic, this question. Why? Because if you go through the options, what happened? Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Monday, and Friday. Thursday is the answer. No need to find the, no need to write down the exact answer. Suppose none of these is there, then what happened? ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, అందుకే మీకు చెప్తుందండి, ప్రాక్టీస్లో ఎప్పుడు కూడాను ఈ షార్ట్ కట్స్ కోసం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకండి. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనం ఎగ్జామినేషన్ టైంలో. బట్ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఇక్కడంతా కూడా లాజిక్ అంతా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. మనకి సబ్జెక్ట్ రావాలి. సబ్జెక్ట్ వస్తే అక్కడ మనమే షార్ట్ కట్స్ అప్లై చేస్తాం. నౌ సి, ఆడ్ ప్లేస్ లెటర్స్ అంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 ఎక్సెట్రా. ఇవేంటి? క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్. అండ్ ఈవెన్ ప్లేస్ లెటర్స్ ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? దట్ ఈస్ ద స్మాల్ లెటర్స్. అంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? బి, డి. ఓకే, just write down the another letter, another color. Suppose this is B, this is the D, F, H, J, like this. Here what we require Thursday. What is the T? T is the 20th letter. 20th letter and T 20th letter. And what happened? That is odd place letters is capital and even place letters that is a small. Okay, so what happened? 20th letter, that must be a small letter, but here option is not exist. Actually none of these undali, none of these unde, that is the answer. And what is the H? Even letter, so this is also small letter. And next, what is the U? U is the 21st letter, so that is equal to capital letter. And what is the R? R is the 18th letter, the small letter. What is the S? S is a odd letter, so this is the R and this is the small letter, etc. Okay, here even this is also not a correct answer. ఎందుకంటే odd place letters అండి క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ అన్నారు. ఆడ్ ఈకేం టీ అనేది అంటే మనకి ఈవెన్ ప్లేస్. ఈవెన్ ప్లేస్ అంటే స్మాల్ లెటర్, అంటే టీ అనేది ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? స్మాల్ లెటర్ రావాలి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? స్మాల్ లెటర్తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ దేర్ దెన్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ డేంజరస్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఇక్కడ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్ లేదు. మనం ఏంటంటే థర్స్డే అంటున్నాం. సో థర్స్డే ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేస్తాం కరెక్ట్ అని చెప్పి. సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటే ఏం చేస్తాం? నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్ సరే అదే కరెక్ట్ అనుకుంటాం. యాక్చువల్గా ఈ క్వశ్చన్ నేను చెప్పడానికి రీజన్ ఇదే. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? స్మాల్ టీ ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ ఫ్రైడే ప్లేస్లో నన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఓకే మనకు ఆన్సర్ థర్స్డే వచ్చింది కదా, థర్స్డే మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసే అది ఆన్సర్ అనుకుంటాం. బట్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ కరెక్ట్. ఇఫ్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్ దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ నీడ్ టు అప్లై దిస్ లాజిక్. అది మాత్రం చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుంచుకోండి అందరు కూడా. అందుకే అసలు యాక్చువల్గా నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్ ఇవ్వకుండా చేసిన క్వశ్చన్ ఇది అనమాట. ఓకేనా? రైట్, గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. If alternate English alphabet starting from C, such as C, E, G, I, and so on, are written in the small letters. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? Alternate English alphabet starting from C. What about A and B? A and B మాత్రం capital letters ఏ. Okay, right. Next, well, all other capital. Now, how will be third day from the Monday be written? Third, the difference between the previous case and this case, in the previous case, day after, 5 days after, day after. But here, third day. What is the third day? Here, Monday. First day is Tuesday. Second day, Wednesday. And next, Thursday. Okay. What we require? We require the Thursday or not. Right. Gets cancelled. Next. This is a small letter. E, G, I, K, M, N, P, R, T, V, X, Z. That means these two are capital letters and the remaining every alternate letter. What is every alternate? Every odd letter. So third letter, fifth letter, seventh letter. Every odd letter, small letters and even letters, that is the capital letter. And next one, what we require? Third day. Here, this is the Monday. First day, Tuesday. Second day, Wednesday. And third day, Thursday. And what is the T? T is stands for, that is equal to 20. What is the E? C is the third letter. Okay. If this is the third letter, third, fifth, And next seventh, all odd letters. So this must be capital. Okay. Now, a mistake. C is a small letter. Third, fifth, seventh, ninth, 11th, 13th. So here N is a capital letter. All odd letters. You can just surrender. No need to write down like this. Just odd letters, that is a small. Even letters, that is the capital. A and B also capital. Okay. Now, here we know that day is a Thursday. That day is a Thursday. And A and B capital. Here remaining all are cancelled. If you observe first one and the fourth one, here A is a small letter. What we require, A is a capital letter. So what is the answer? Answer is D. No need to write all the letters. Okay? But ఇక్కడ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఎవ్రీ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ లెటర్ ఆర్ స్మాల్ లెటర్. సో సిఈజిఐ అంటే ఎవ్రీ ఈవెన్ లెటర్, సారీ ఎవ్రీ ఆడ్ లెటర్ స్మాల్ లెటర్, ఈవెన్ లెటర్ capital letter, and A and B also capital letter. So here we require the Thursday. Why? Because third day from the Monday, that is Thursday, and only two options satisfy. In these two options, what is the A? A must be a capital letter, but here A is a small letter. So this is not a correct. What is the answer? Option D is the correct answer. Next, go to the next case. In a particular code language, implicit is written as L or W T P X X X. So what is the answer? It's a very simple question. Okay. I is a 9th letter, 13th letter, 16th letter, 12, 9, 3, 9, 20. What is the L? This is the 12. What is the R? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, okay. What is the R? That is equal to 18, W, 23, U, 21, T, 20, P, that is equal to 16, X, 23, 24, and 24. How is introvert? Here, implicit is written as LR, W, V, P, X, X. Now, here 9 and 12, that is plus 3. 13 and 18 plus 5. 16 and 23, that is equal to plus 7. 12 and 9. Sorry. Here, 9 becomes to 12. 9 plus 3. 13 plus 5. 16 plus 7. 12 plus 9. 9 plus 11. 3 plus 3 plus, yes, 13 and next. So that means first plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 and so on. Increasing order. Okay. Now introvert. What is the I? That is the 9th letter. 9 plus 3, 12. Here none of this is also there. So you need to write down each and every letter. So what is the first letter? That is equal to L. N is the 14th letter. 14 plus 5, 19. What is the 19th letter? That is equal to S. T is a 20. 20 plus 7, 21. What is the 20? So 20 plus 7, 27. Here 26 plus 1, 27. So what is the answer? That is equal to A. Or that is the 18th letter. 18 plus 9, 27. So that is also equal to A. So most probably option B is the correct answer, or none of these. So these are all not a correct. None of these is not there, then that is answer. Okay. Next, O. O is the 15th letter. Okay. 15 plus 11, 26. What is the 26th letter? that is equal to Z. V, here this is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, next 13. V is the 22nd letter. 22nd plus 13, 35. 35 minus 26, that is equal to 9. What is the 9th letter? That is equal to I. Here 22 plus 13, 35. Here we have only 26 alphabet. Now you need to subtract 26 from 35. So 9. What is the 9th letter? That is equal to I. E is a 5th letter. 5 plus 15, 20. What is the 20th letter? That is equal to T. R is a 18th letter. 18 plus 17, 35. 35 minus 26, that is equal to 9. That is equal to I. And T is a 20th letter. 20 plus 17, 37 minus 37 minus, yeah, this is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 20, 37 minus 26, that is equal to 11. What is the 11th letter? That is equal to K. What is the answer? None of these is the answer. Is it clear? This is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 15, next 17. T is the 20th letter. 20 plus 17, 37. Minus 26, that is equal to 11. What is the 11? That is equal to K. If none of this is not there, then just to go to the option B. But none of this is there. It's a very dangerous in banking exams. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is none of this. Go to the next question. In a particular code language, PUR VEYO are written as something. What is it, informally? What is the answer? Right? What is the question? Right. Just straight away write down what is the P, that is the 16. What is the U? That is equal to 21. What is the R? 18. V 22. E 5. This is 25. This is the 15. And this is the 18. And what about P? 16. This is 17. This is the 23. And what is G? This is 7, 20, 20, 19, and 18. Yeah. 16, 16, 21, minus 4, 18 plus 5, and 5 plus 2, 25 minus 5, 15. So there is no increasing or decreasing. Now, what is the next step? Either split or reverse. Here, split is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose if you observe, either split or reverse. Suppose if you take a reverse order, this one. What is the reverse order? That is equal to 18, 15, 25, 5, 22, 18, 21, and 16. Here we got 16, 17, 23, 7, 20, 20, 19, 18. If you observe, what is the relation? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మనం ఏంటంటే ఎక్కడ కూడా లెటర్స్ గురించి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయట్లే. ప్లేస్ వాల్యూసే. Yeah, this is equal to -2. This is +2, -2, +2, -2, +2, -2, +2. That means you take a reverse order and then continue series -2, +2, -2, +2, etc. Now what we required? I. So what is the reverse order? That is equal to Y, L, M, R, I, F, N, I. -2, 23rd. What is the 23rd? Here none of this is there. Okay. So you need to find the each and every letter's answer. Y is the 25th letter. Okay. -2, 23rd letter. What is the 23rd letter? That is equal to W. So these three options are not correct. We don't know whether this one is correct or not. Okay. Next, L, 12th letter. 12 plus 2, 14. What is the 14th letter? That is equal to N. M is the 13th letter. 13 minus 2. that is equal to K. Okay. Next, R plus 2, 20, T. I minus 2, 7, G. F plus 2, that is equal to H. N minus 2, that is equal to L. I plus 2, that is equal to K. So what is the answer? Option D is the correct answer. What is the previous case? None of this. And what about this case? Your answer is double fourth option. Is it clear? అందుకే ఏంటంటే మనకి ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ కానీ తెలిసాయి అంటే మాత్రం ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ తెలియకపోతే మాత్రం చాలా కష్టం అవుతుందమ్మా. రైట్. Move to the next question. In a particular code language, Rigveda written as something, and how is Upanishad? యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ మీరు స్పెల్లింగ్స్ కోసం ఆలోచించకండి. వాడు ఏ వర్డ్ ఇస్తారో మనకు తెలియదు, దాన్ని బట్టి మనం చేయాల్సిందే. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? Rigveda, same. Here this is equal to, just change the color of my pen, or this is equal to 18. I 9 7 22 5 4 1. Here this is 20 and this is equal to 6. This is equal to 9 20 7 1 3. Right. How to find the answer? If you observe, 18 plus 2, 9 minus 3, 7 plus 2, 22 minus 2, 5 plus 2, 4 minus 3, and 1 plus 3. Any valid? Here, 18 plus 2, 9 minus 3, 7 plus 2, 22 minus 2, 5 plus 2, 4 minus 3, 1 plus 2. Plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2. Plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2. Here, is there any sequence? So, how to solve this case? Now you apply the logic. Just pause this video and solve this question. After that, just observe my explanation. Okay. Right. What about this one? Yes, is a 19th letter or not? 20. So minus 3. That's enough. Plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3. It's a very simple. And what is the U? Here, luckily, none of these option is not exist, but first letter and last letter are same. So leave it. Second letter also same. Third letter also same. And fourth letter, and now you check the fourth letter. What is the fourth letter? That is minus 3. What is the fourth letter? I minus 3. That is equal to F. Okay. So fourth letter must be F. So strike up these two options. You get the logic. And what is the fourth letter? Minus 3. What is the fourth letter? F. So these two not satisfy the condition. Now come to these three. Of these three, here 6th and 7th letters are different. Okay. Here E, F, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What is the 6th letter? Again, minus 3 or not. 2nd, 4th, 6th, all letters are all even letters, minus 3. So 6th letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H. H is, what is the H? That is the 8th letter. 8 minus 3, that is 5th letter. What is the 5th letter? E. So what is the answer? Answer is option B. రైట్. ప్రతిదీ చెక్ చేయకండి ఇక్కడ. అంటే మనకు లాజిక్ తెలిసిందంటే జస్ట్ అప్లై థౌసండ్. ఇవన్నీ అక్కడ ఎగ్జామ్లో, ఓకే, ప్రాక్టీస్లో కాదు. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఇన్ ఎ పర్టిక్యులర్ కోడ్ లాంగ్వేజ్, మంకీ ఈజ్ XDJMNL. And this is the 13, and this is the 15, and this is the 14. This is the, what is the K? That is the 11 and 5 and 25. This is the 24. This is the 4. This is the 10. This is the 13. This is the 14, and this is the 12. What is the answer? If you observe, this is the 25, 24, 5, 4, 11, 10, 14, 13, 15, 14, 13, 12. That means take a reverse order. and minus. But here, none of this is there. So you need to find the answer. Here, R. First, you take a reverse order of that word. R-E-G-I-T. And next, minus 1. So R minus 1. R is a 18th letter, or Q, that is equal to Q. So option A or none of this. Next, E minus 1, that is D. G minus 1, F. I minus 1, H. T minus 1, S. Option A is the correct answer. That's it. Next question. In a particular code language, a council is written as bitrec, and how will guidance? Okay. Same. Take a place values of each and every letter. First step is that one. Place value అయిపోయింది అప్పుడు రాకపోతేనే think out of the box. Okay. Here this is equal to 3 and this is equal to 15 and this is equal to 21. This is a 14 and 19. E is your 5 and L is the 12th letter. B is the second letter and this is a 9th letter. T is the 20th letter. 9 or is the 18th letter. A is the first letter and K, that is equal to K, that is the 11th letter. Okay. Now find the logic. This is the 11. Find the logic. 3, 2, 15, 9, 21, 20, 14, 9, 19, 18, 5, 1, 12, 11. If you observe, 3 becomes to 2 minus 2. 21 becomes to 20 minus 1. 19 becomes to 18 minus 1. 12 becomes to 11 minus 1. That means all odd letters minus 1. And what are the even letters? 15 minus 9, that is minus 6. 14 minus 9, that is equal to minus 5. 5 to 1, that is minus 4. What is the meaning? Every alternate letters condition is changed. Odd letters and first, third, fifth, etc. That is equal to minus 1. Even letters minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. Here none of this is there. So you need to find the answer. First, G. Okay. ఇక్కడ మనకు కావాల్సిందండి odd letters. That is equal to G, I, G, I, A, C. These are all the minus 1. What is the minus 1? G minus 1. That is equal to F. I minus 1. H. A minus 1. Z. C minus 1. That is equal to B. Okay. So that is odd letters. Now come to the even letters. U, D, N, E. U minus 6. Here this is equal to minus 6, minus 5, minus 4. U is the 21st letter, minus 6. That is equal to 15. D minus 5. That is equal to what happened? That is equal to D minus 5. What happened? Minus 4 Z minus 5. That is equal to Y. Here Y is there. Yes. And next N minus 4. N is the 14th, minus 4. 10. That is equal to J. And E minus 3. That is equal to B. So what is the answer? F and U 15th. 15th, this is equal to O. F, O, H, Y, Z, Z, B, B. Option B is the correct answer. If none of this is there, just observe first, last letter and first letter, you will get the answer. Right? Go to the next question. In a particular code language, a paper is written as SCTGW. How will mother be written in that language? Okay. What is the P? 16, 1, 16, 5, 18. Yes, 19, 3, 27, 23. 16, 19, 1, 3, 16, 20, 5, 7, 18, 23. These are very simple. 16 and 19, what happened? That is equal to plus 3. And next, A becomes to 3. That is equal to plus 2. And next, 16 becomes to 20. This is equal to plus 4. And next, 5 becomes to 7. That is equal to plus 2. Okay. Here, M plus 3, O plus 2, T plus 4, and H plus 2, E plus 5. Is it valid or not? Here, what happened? Yeah, this is equal to 18 becomes to 25, E plus 5, and R plus 2. That means every odd letter increasing series, every even letter just constant increasing. So plus 3, plus 2, plus 4, plus 2, plus 5, plus 2. Okay, M is the 13th letter, 13 plus 3, P. Okay, none of this is also there. So P. And next, O plus 2. Okay, O plus 2, that is equal to Q. And T plus 2, 20 plus 4, 24. What is the 24? That is equal to X. And H plus 2. H is the 8th letter. This is equal to J. And next, E plus 5, 10th letter. That is equal to J. And next, R plus 2. That is equal to T. P, Q, X, J, J, T. Option C is the correct answer. Go to the next question. In a particular code language, display is written as B, L, Q, S, J, D, M, D. What about this case? Here, this is the 4, 9, 19, 16, 12, 1, 25. Here 2, 12, 17. And what is the S? That is the 19, 10, 4, 23. If you observe, another very simple. 4 minus 2, 9 plus 3, 19 minus 2, 16 plus 3, 12 minus 2, 1 plus 3. That means every alternative letters plus minus 2 and next plus 3 series. Here, this is the 16. 16 minus 2. That is equal to 14. What is the 14th letter? That is equal to, okay, let us take, first write down the letters. Yes. Okay, what is the first one? We required the 14th letter. And next 4 minus 2. Next plus 3. R plus 3. R is the 18th letter. So this is equal to 21. O is the 15th letter. Minus 2. 13. J, 10th letter. This is equal to 13. Okay. So MM. Maybe this one or this one is the correct. J. So this is minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. 3 plus 3. 6 minus 2, 18. What is the 14th? That is equal to N. What is the 21? U. What is the 13? M, M, C, F, R. N, U, M, M, C, F, R. Option B is the correct answer. Go to the next one. If break is something, what about the solar? Right. In the simple question, 2. And what is the R? This is the 18, 5, 1, 12. This is the 1, 19, 4, 2, 10. Minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1, plus 1. Minus 1. It's a very simple. Here we require minus 1. Minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. Yes, the 19th letter, that is the T. O. This is equal to n minus 1 plus 1. That is equal to p. Just a moment. Minus 1 plus 1. What is the s minus 1? That is equal to r, right? R. O plus 1, P. L minus 1, K. A plus 1, B. R minus 1, Q. RP KBQ. RP KBQ. Option C is the correct answer. Right? What is the next case? Routine is written as VM or GFLI. What is cruelty? Be written in that language. Yeah. Directly go to the logic. Just to break this one. And next, this is ROU. Just break this one as 3 parts. And what is the question? This is the V M R, and this is the F L I C. If you observe GT, okay, it becomes to T. And if you break this one also, E, this is equal to V. If none of this is not there, then we identify the exact answer. Okay, the fourth letter is V. So first one is not a correct. And check the remaining. Next, UV, OM, R same, EF, N, L, and I same. UV, O, M, this is the 15th letter and this is the 13th letter, minus 2, and R same. E, next letter F, N minus 2, L, and I. And what happened? U. What is the next one? That is equal to V. R minus 2. What is the R 18th letter? R minus 2, 16th letter. What is the 16th letter? That is equal to P. And C as it is. So VPCV. VPCV. So option B may be correct, but none of this is also there. Okay. And next, Y. Next letter of Y, that is equal to Z. And next, T. What is the T? T minus 2. 20 minus 2, 18. That is equal to R. And next, L. That is the same. VPCV, VPCV, Z or L. Option B is the correct answer. Suppose none of these is not there. Just find the 4 letters code. You will get the answer. Right? Next, in the particular code language, retail is written as something. How will expect written in that language? Suppose if you take a reverse order, then what happened? Here retail is written as R. Let us consider this is equal to 18. This is the 5. This is the 20, 1, 9, and 12. This is 22. This is the 6. This is the 19, 2, 10, 13. So what happened? Let us take 5 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 12 plus 13, and 18 plus 4, 20, minus 1, 9 plus 1. So is there any logic? 18 plus 4, U, that is 21. 18 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 20, minus 1, 1 plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Is it valid? It's not a valid. So what is the other case? Suppose if you take a reverse order. If you take a reverse order, then what happened? 12, 9, 1, 20, 5, and 18. What is this case? This is equal to 21, 6, 2, 10, 19, 2, 10, 13. It's not a correct. Next one, retail. So what is the R? This is the 18, 5, 20, 1, 9, 12. And this is equal to 21, 6, 19, 2, 10, and 13. If you observe, break this one, 1, 2, 9, 10, 12, 13. That's okay. And what about the remaining? 18 becomes to 21, 5 becomes to 6, and 20 becomes to 19. There is no relation. Suppose if you take a reverse order, then what happened? 19, 6, and 21. They're 18 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 20 plus 20 plus 1. So what we require? Expect the last three letters plus 1. So E plus 1, F, C plus 1, D, T plus 1, U, F, D, U. Okay, yeah, none of this is also there. Now you take a reverse order. Reverse order plus 1. P plus 1, that is equal to Q. X plus 1, Y. E plus 1, that is equal to F. So what is the answer? Q, Y, F, F, D, U. Q, Y, F, F, D, U. Option D is the correct answer. Right? This is about the coding decoding one. Next video lo the combination of numbers and letters అది మన కోడింగ్ డికోడింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, నేను కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను చేస్తున్నాను, అది మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, రైట్? జస్ట్ టేక్ ఎ స్మాల్ పాజ్ అండ్ నోట్ డౌన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ సాల్వ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. చెప్పింది అర్థమైంది కదా? ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఏంటంటే మీరు మీ ఓన్గా డెవలప్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే మీరు లాజిక్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలుగుతారు. అంతేకాని బుక్స్లో ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసినా కష్టం. ఎందుకంటే సడన్గా నన్ను వచ్చి అడిగినా సరే సడన్గా నేనే చేయలేను. అంటే ఆ లాజిక్ నాకు స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వాలి. అలాగే సేమ్ మీదేనంతే. ఓకే, సో మీరు అది ఆ లాజిక్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనం ఎగ్జామ్లోని పర్ఫెక్ట్గా సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. అది ఓకే, రైట్? దట్స్ ఆల్ ఫర్ టుడే.